Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back. I'm Lisa McWhirter, and on this channel I do especially talk about the different ways on becoming a destination elopement photographer. Now, having a destination elopement or wedding photography business is a topic that many photographers do search for and do want to start a business on that allows them to shoot in destination, abroad, or in another state area. I have been running this kind of a business for 14 months, and yes, I agree, it's kind of a new one for me. And now one of my goals is to help photographers to do the same, to be a destination elopement photographer, to fill their everyday life with passion that they absolutely love and are thrilled to be getting up. And one of the biggest questions, beside how to do it, but also what it's like to run a destination elopement business, this video is definitely for you. So here are the things I did learn on the very first 12 months of running a destination elopement photography business. Number one is you can do it. It is achievable to run this kind of photography business full time and not just maybe having 5 or 8 destination elopements per year. And one of the things that really helped me was getting myself a business coach, and that helped me to pivot and niche down the business I was running. But what I also noticed, what affected me the most, was my own mindset. If you don't believe you are honestly able to achieve what you want to get, you will most likely won't be getting it, or you keep putting yourself an obstacle, and a third obstacle, and it will make you much more slower to achieve what you really want to have. Number two, there are good and bad days while running a business. Being a destination elopement photographer is not always a really luxury job. You can be experiencing delayed or cancelled flights, time zone changes can affect a lot of driving, and sometimes even sleeping in a 6-bed dormitory in a hostel, since you can't really afford on being anywhere else. And if you do it alone, you will be feeling a lot of lonely moments, and it's quite natural to be experiencing these moments. Many of these things I just mentioned can be such as stressful moments. That's why there are a couple of things I have learned to never skip on. That is drinking plenty of water, eat, sleep 8 hours. Yeah, I always try to sleep 8 hours. And of course, do some exercise. Otherwise, you will burn out yourself and your business very soon. The last one is that numbers are everything and a must. There, I said it out to the world, numbers are a must thing to have in your business. You need to know the numbers on how your business is really doing, and would being a destination elopement photographer give you a stable income for all year around. And this comes down to running any kind of businesses. You need to know how much you need to charge in a month so you can pay your bills, pay your taxes. So make sure you keep track of your monthly costs, monthly sales, and also when you are going to invoice some clients, and you know when the money is coming around the year and when is the slow season coming up. If you had any aha moments during watching this video, please leave a comment below. And if there is something you want to be doing as a photographer, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you so much from us on watching this video, and can't wait to see you on the next, where I talk about more on being and becoming a destination elopement photographer. See you next time. Bye.